Out of a cataclysm
comes the elixir of life. Why are Washington wines among the best in the world, rivaling those from California, Italy, and France? It's not only the state's climate zones, it's especially the region's unique soils. Experts say that to grow the best grapes requires well-drained soil. But to say that Washington soil is well-drained only tells a small part of the story. Why is this ground unique and especially suited to growing outstanding wine grapes? To understand the whole story means going back 15,000 years to a very different world from our own, to cataclysmic events unlike anything known on Earth, events that shaped the very landscape and geology of Washington State. Between 15,000 and 19,000 years ago, a giant inland sea in the state of Montana named Lake Missoula was caused by a dam on Idaho's Clark River. A dam made of ice. The lake was 2,000 feet deep and stretched for over 200 miles. It held more water than Lake Erie and Lake Ontario combined. The volume of water in the lake was so immense that the ice dam couldn't hold it. The water burst through and rushed downstream through Washington at a rate 10 times the combined flow of all the rivers of the world. Nothing like this had ever occurred anywhere. As this immense volume of rushing water flowed westward toward the ocean, it gouged away the soil down to the underlying layer of volcanic basalt. These floods left behind gravel, cobbles, and boulders, which were then covered by the wind-blown loess. Washington grapevines love nothing more than well-drained soil, and this new layer is exactly what they like best. It's a layer of soil unique in all the world to our region. It's not about the water, it's about the dirt.